I'm trying to keep my head straight. Fuck that, made another play. And we don't care about GFP, we smash through the other shit. I get fly just like a bird, that nigga sit like a fucking chick. And don't forget, I drive that bitch like NASCAR. I be fucking with him. 200 for the zip. You want exotic, the nigga tap in, we don't.
Another one didn't know.
Nigga went in there trying to tear my diamond.
Man, tell him
this shit busting.
Tell him right now on
This
camera.
shit busting.
On YouTube.
Where that nigga go?
Oh shit, hold up.
Alright, okay. You get earring. Go ahead.
I don't know, bro. Oh, shit. Not real.
Cuz in the fetal position, my nigga.
Hey, that nigga birthday too, y'all, boy.
Yeah, man, your boy in the fetal position right now. That
Who
nigga
that?
Core, man.
Oh, man.
What's up, bro?
There you go. That nigga go goddamn. What up, nigga?
What up?
Shit, man. Same shit, different toilet, man.
They got this bitch, man.
Yo, man.
Y'all boy wanna hit this bitch?
Yeah, yo, so I'm going on. The one, boy. For the vlog and shit. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Talk y'all shit, man.
We outside.
Yo. We finna ride then, let's ride. Hey, y'all pop it, man.
Let's start this bit, man.
Vlog.
Oh. Now I always forget. I always forget what the hell I was gonna say. Already been drunk out of Nah, for real though. Stay tuned for that footage that's finna come.
Yo.
Whenever my boy free, cause
Yo.
I'm free tomorrow.
Yo. I'm free tomorrow too, nigga. Alright. What?
Nah, I don't trust nobody 85 down here.
Tell them follow you, bro.
Oh, hey, you see it? Follow me. Trying to come up with it. Hey, I'm new to it. Follow me though. Fuck with me.
Hey, tell them, hey, y'all tell them tap in. Tell them tap in. I designed you a whole new one, bro. I did do them. Oh yeah, I'm a little more expensive now. But look though, that bit hard.
They got this bitch.
Yo, man.
Y'all boy wanna hit this bitch?
Yeah, yo, so I'm going on. Yo, what's going on? Shit going on. Man, this shit, GTA. What the fuck wrong with them boy? They got down, they waiting on GTA 6, nigga. GTA 6 dropped today. Fuck they talking about? On my mama. That shit been dropped. Fuck y'all talking about? What up, y'all, boy?
Follow Voodoo, man.
Yeah.
Social media platform.
Let's do it, man. That was going on. And hey, make sure y'all nigga hydrate. Fuck you talking about?
For sure. There you go.
Get that bit right, OG.
Nate don't love the cat. I heard something like this.
Damn, who shit this is?
Come on, right here, bro. Can't fucking hit both of this shit up.
Shout your shit out, nigga. Tell them folks where to find you at, man.
Y'all go find me on Instagram, ACD4.
Alright, bet.
All platforms.
Yes, sir. Gonna go get mine there.
Is that mine? Ain't free.
Ah, nigga. Ah.
What the fuck? What the
I live just fine.
Get her ass, she don't even know. Ah! Hey man, y'all need to make sure y'all subscribe, bro. Subscribe to my channel. We out here doing this shit every day. You know what I'm saying? My boy got the camera in the cup.
It's free smoke if you want it.
Come on now.
Diamonds over pearls. You with me?
Yes,
Content,
Yeah,
vlogging.
talk that shit.
You feel me?
Yes,
Diamonds
sir.
over pearls, everything branded.
Yes, sir.
Diamonds over pearls.
That what going on, man. Hey, yo, man, we got this bit. Fuck going on.
I did what you were talking about. When you told me to get the stick away. Yeah, they was making.
Y'all tap in. And get when I print that.
Chopper shit hard.
I be with it. I be with the bullshit.
What's that? Is that safe?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Chapo. I got a wide body.
I got a grill, I know it. Man, I didn't tell him yesterday too, bro. And he see what I want.
And that's a good concept. Hey, bro, that'll be a good concept. The power press, the issue by getting here, it's got to be like.
And my boy back on the road, man.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, y'all talking about on me. On me.
Did this shit my damn self.
On me, man.
Fuck paying the nigga to do
Fuck
it.
paying the goddamn mechanic. He the mechanic for you, talking. Hell, yo, bro, that nigga shit. That nigga got that bitch fit like a motherfucker. Military nigga don't bullshit. That nigga dropped, I think he dropped 700 on the track.
That's cheap for it.
Talk your shit, man. He mad I ain't put him on camera, man.
I'm drunk, man. Don't mind me.
They go Chapo right there.
That Chapo. That Chapo? What the fuck he put that on that car for?
He went to the country.
He put a bra on that bitch. That nigga put a bra on that bitch. Chapo. Trapo put a bra on that bitch.
We're going.
What's up, nigga? A whole lot of shit, man.
My first time seeing this bitch in person.
They look good as hell, man.
Going home, boy. You alright?
Yeah, boy. Yo.
You alright?
There you go again, y'all, boy. I told y'all he mad I ain't put him on camera. Now he on camera, though. Pop it. Yes, sir.
He was at my shit.
Oh, okay. That nigga was drunk right now.
I was drunk in here.
Cuz in the fetal position, my nigga.
Hey, that nigga birthday too, y'all, boy.
Yeah, man, your boy in the fetal position right now. That
Who
nigga
that?
Core, man.
Oh,
What's
man.
up, bro?
Damn. What deal with that, man?
Your boy in that fetal position right now, man.
That's the damn. Them one of the logo right there. The other one we got.
Man, go show on that shit. Go show on that shit, Quan.
Hell yeah.
Show on that shit, bro.
Yeah, you want one of this nigga to hit up right here?
On me.
He can make the decals.
For my
He
mom.
do scrapes and all.
All that shit.
Bad lane.
Custom, man. You ain't gonna find that bitch
I'm gonna need to
nowhere.
go and get mine did, bro.
On my mama.
He can do it.
Oh, God. I get that
You
printer.
gotta get a different
Oh,
side
God.
cut. The old bar styles ain't got the window like this.
The whole rate. Bro, they
Pulling on his ass. Fuck on.
That nigga back on the way.
Rid of that one.
What the hell happened to your shit?
Shit, my lifter with the ticket, man.
Oh,
I had a white boy put my shit on, man. The white boy wasn't doing that. I don't know. I go to the first one.
water, kids, water.
Hydrate, man.
Hydrate yourself.
Tell you.
Yeah, man. Whew. Get the car. Now look at your car. Look at my car. Now look at your car. How my fear. How my fear.
I'm telling you. Really my story, y'all, boy. Oh, you know this shit. Hey, bro.
Nigga taxing for the soda.
They taxing for the soda.
$1.65.
Man, they really my shit. Hey, tell them folk they my shit, bro.
Go behind the counter and do your shit,
Alright.
man.
Give me a bit, man.
Yeah,
man.
You remember that dollar? That I asked for?
I gave you like 3 of them.
Man, this shit real like GTA, man. Don't know. Oh, they already seen that bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got it from the story time?
Hell nah. I gotta make a video about that shit.
Story time.
I gotta make a video about that shit, man. Have run them views up for sure.
Yeah, go ahead.
We finna ride out. Solo. Oh, you riding out? I thought you said you finna grab some shit.
Don't take your time, man. There's me. And Patron. I just saying I should. We just ate. Radiator still on there. The radiator still on the market balcony.
See, this is why we can't trust part stores nowadays, y'all. Because part stores will sell you a part that's supposed to be the part to fix your car, but then when you got the 400-pound dude behind the counter that says he knows your shit, it's not right.
Yeah, cause he on the computer and shit.
I don't know for sure, bro. Oh no, I be down there about 2 weeks.
Hello, Ski.
About 3 weeks, I be doing it now.
Yes, sir.
That be the thing, bro. You know, they damn company truck, all that little shit. Really want to ride this shit. I drive my shit just to get out.
Solo shit fast to hell. Gusto, I did it.
We going. I'm
Yeah,
rocking.
yeah.
Patron got me rapping. Yeah, I mean, I can't even stand up.
You know my mama.
Why you don't believe it?
I don't.
Why?
Good.
Boy, they bit with a diamond touch. Tell my shit.
I ain't gonna lie.
What you got? Well, that's gold,
I
but
know,
it
bro.
gold.
I'm trolling like a motherfucker.
Hey, you want me to test? Hey, bring the camera over here. You want me to test one more
No,
time?
you gonna have to take my shit. He didn't get my shit on camera.
Hey, he blinging, bro. He
Come on,
blinging, dog. He
He ain't
blinging.
take my
What's
shit
going
on
on?
camera.
Take it.
He ain't take my
Earring,
shit on
earring.
camera. Yeah, tell the
The
earring.
beat gonna go viral now.
Okay,
Come on,
yes,
man.
sir,
Come on,
yes,
man.
sir, yes, sir.
Come on, man.
Let's see. Okay,
Tell both of them, cause they probably different.
Yes, sir.
Handy.
It's another one in the
Let's go tell your, get your
Nigga
shit.
went in there trying to tear my diamond.
Man, tell
This
them,
shit busting.
tell them right now on
This
camera.
shit busting.
Go to YouTube.
Where that nigga go? Where that nigga go?
Hey, go tag us your shit, man. Oh, shit, hold up.
You get earring on God. You get earring. Go ahead.
I don't know, bro. Oh, shit.
Real quick. Be on the tree. Certified.
Okay.
Hey, everybody's that gun.
Everybody's that gun.
After
You look like me. That Cuba.